Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to talk about another fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force called Mirage-2000, also called as Vajra in the Indian Air Force. We will be covering a few details like origin, type, power plant, armament, maximum speed, amongst other details. Beginning with the origin of Mirage 2000, so it comes from the Dassault Aviation that belongs to France. And the type of the aircraft is air defense multi role fighter, that is, the capability to perform several actions at the same time. The power plant of Mirage 2000 include one SNECMA M53 P2 turbofans of 9,700 kilograms, that is approximately 21,385 pounds reheat thrust. The armament include two 30mm DEFA 554 cannon with two Matra Super 530D medium range plus two R550 Magic close combat missiles up to 6,000 kg, that is approximately 13,225 pounds of external ordnance. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the same aircraft used by the IAF pilots in the Balakot airstrikes. Although, at the time of the Balakot airstrikes, IAF pilots used spice bombs. Now, moving on to discuss the maximum speed. So, for Mirage 2000, it is Mach 2.35, that is approximately 2,495 kilometers per hour. The maximum climb rate is 249 meters per second, that is again 49,000 feet per minute. The combat radius is 700 kilometers, approximately 435 miles. To all my viewers who are wondering what does Mach stands for in maximum speed, so Mach number is the ratio of the speed of a body to the speed of sound in surrounding medium. The formula is m equals to mu by c, where m is Mach number, mu is local flow velocity, and c is speed of sound in the medium. In case of Mirage 2000, the speed, that is Mach 2.35, stands for a factor of 2.35 more than the speed of sound. So ladies and gentlemen, Mirage 2000 in brief is a single-seater air defense and multi-role fighter of French origin powered by a single engine and can attain maximum speed of 2,495 km per hour, that is Mach 2.3. It carries two 30mm integral cannons and two Matra Super 530D medium range and two R550 Magic 2 close combat missiles on external stations. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is for the day. I have briefly covered another fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force, and again it is a supersonic aircraft with a huge speed of Mach 2.35, and we'll meet again with another video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
गलत फहमी की गुंजाइश मत रखना। 99% से काम नहीं चलेगा। एयरफोर्स में जिंदगी और मौत के बीच का अंतर इसी 1% का होता है। 100% फिट हुए बिना इस ग्रुप में से कोई फाइटर पायलट नहीं बनेगा। यह एक सख्त प्रोफेशन है और इसकी डिमांड्स भी सख्त हैं। अभी सख्ती नहीं बरतूंगा तो तुम्हारे खून से रंगेंगे मेरे हाथ, और मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरे हाथ तुम्हारे खून से रंगे। मत भूलो, फाइटर प्लेन्स पर करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करता है हमारा देश। तुम्हारी ट्रेनिंग पर भी करोड़ों खर्च होंगे, पर आजादी की कीमत नहीं आंकी जा सकती। यहां उन्हीं की जरूरत है जो सिर्फ जीतने में विश्वास रखते हैं। फाइटर पायलट बनने के लिए सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन चाहिए। आधे सेकंड में डिसीजन लेने वाला चौकन्ना दिमाग चाहिए। इस ट्रेनिंग के बाद आप जो भी करेंगे दूसरों की नजरों में चमत्कार होगा, पर आपके लिए सिर्फ रोजमर्रा का डिसिप्लिन। दुश्मन के सामने आते ही यही डिसिप्लिन फौलादी इरादों में बदल जाएगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक।